So I'm talking of places like the gym, the coffee shop, public toilet, hotel room, bulletin board, airport lounge, the mall, and so many other places. Hey Royals, welcome back to another episode of the series Business Ideas for Dummies video. In this series, we talk about some of those businesses that don't commonly come to mind when one is thinking of a business idea. So in these videos, we actually tend to dissect these business ideas, what they are all about, and especially because they are budget friendly. So if this is something you are interested in, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and please go watch the rest of the videos that we've also put up for this particular topic, because this is a limited edition series. We don't have this kind of videos flying all over where on YouTube. Now let's get into the video. The first idea we are going to be diving into is custom phone cases. I know that most of these ideas are self-explanatory, and the way I'm presenting it to you guys, they are very self-explanatory, so I'm not going to talk too much about most of the ideas that I'm going to be bringing up. So number one, like I said, we have custom phone cases. Next up, we have custom cakes and cookies. You have some businesses that are into making personalized cakes and cookies for events or for special occasions. Like we have those people making like bento cakes and stuff like that. These are the categories that are involved in custom cakes and cookies. Up next, we have headbands. This is very self-explanatory too. Then we have masks. There are people who are into lip mask, face mask, hand masks, any type of mask, eye patches. It is also a great business idea, and it's very budget friendly. Next up, we have onesies. Now when it comes to onesies, I'm going to definitely drop a video somewhere in this video where you guys are going to see the example of the onesies that I'm talking about. Now this is a very nice business idea. We have onesies for kids, we have onesies for adults. Depends on the way you want to go about it. Next up, we have slides. You can customize slides, make it queue up, and then package it for sale. Up next, we have sleepover bags. There are most people that their job is just to curate this cute bag set that contains everything that a person is going to need for a particular occasion. It could be sleepovers, it could be travel sets, it could be whatever. Like, browse the internet, storm your brain. If it is something that you are interested in, you can definitely get onto that, and it's very budget friendly too. The next business idea you can consider going into is hair bonnet. Like, who doesn't wear a hair bonnet these days? Hair bonnets are so trendy, and they can never ever go out of business. Next up, you can consider selling custom neon lights. Now, custom neon lights, I mean something like this. I'm going to put the video up somewhere on the screen. This is exactly what I mean by custom neon lights, and you will be surprised at the amount of demand that these particular custom neon lights have in the market. Now, if you are able to be creative enough to actually deliver this kind of products or services to people, they're more than willing to give you their money. Now, for the part we've all been waiting for, the offers that I have for you in these videos. I basically have two offers for anybody who have enjoyed this video from the episode 1 to episode 2 and this final episode. Like I mentioned earlier in the beginning of this particular video, this is a limited edition series where I took out my time to browse through the web and find those business ideas that are mostly neglected or mostly ignored when people start to brainstorm about business ideas. And I decided to compile it all into a video and post it here on YouTube. Now, my number one offer is a vendors list, which I offered in the part 2 of this video, where I mentioned that if you comment vendors list in the comment section, I will send you a vendors list of this product, so that you'll be able to kickstart if any of them is something you are passionate about. To still get the vendors list, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and go down to the comment section and comment vendors list. Once you comment vendors list, I'm going to send you a link whereby you can download the vendors list for free. Now, trust me, these are genuine, tested and trusted vendors, so you can be sure that your money is safe. Now, the second offer is for you to make sure that you have subscribed to this channel, because in my upcoming video, which is totally not a business ideas for dummies video, I'll be dropping a link to where you can download all the business ideas that I've spoken about so far in the series, from the episode 1 to the episode 2 and this current episode. Next up in this video, I am giving tips on where you can leave your business cards. So when you eventually start your business, you know that marketing is key. You know that you eventually have to sell your product. If not, you will sit with your product and you're not going to make any money from it. So in this video, I am sharing the liberty of giving you ideas of places where you can leave your business card, and somehow people might be able to pick it up and contact you. Now, for you to be able to know these places, I'm not going to list them again, because if you are paying attention in this video, I already did. It was the first clip of this video. All those places that I was listing are places that you can leave your business card. As usual, if you watch the end of this video, I want to thank you so much for tuning in and spending your day with me today. I want to tell you that I really appreciate you. I appreciate the likes and subscriptions, which I hope that you have already done. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.